Hello, fellow diamond painting addicts, and welcome back to Diamond Painting Anonymous. I'm Daphne, and I'm here today with another exciting sneak peek of an Oraloa diamond painting kit. So I'm going to grab everything out of the box, and then we'll get into it. Be right back. All right, I did all my crinkling off screen. So we've got our toolkit. Let's see what's in our toolkit first of all. So we have lots of goodies. Is that everything? Yes. All right, we get our tray. We get some Oraloa branded washi tape. We get our little plates of wax. There's 3 plates of blue wax in there. You might be able to fit a few more if you had round wax. We get some blue tweezers. Ooh, those are nice and pointy. I like those. We get a purple scrunchie, and then we get a pin with a 3-placer and a 6-placer, or maybe 7, or maybe 9. Is that a 9? 3, yeah, it's a 9. All right, so that's our toolkit. Let me get it all put back in here. So what I have for you today is a sneak peek of a kit entitled The Legend. I saw this one and I just love this style. This is a square kit and it is 50 by 75, so it's large. But if you've not done a square kit before, you should. I know there are people who prefer squares over rounds and vice versa. Rounds, to me, the big difference is that they go faster, but squares look nicer and they can be a little more satisfying because you get that nice pop when you put the drills in with a square that you don't necessarily get with a round. All right, so I've got that all rolled up. What do we got here? So we've got our instructions. We've got our drills. Woo, look at those drills. And of course, we have our pre-cut stickers. So we have our stickers here. You can see here is the picture by Rosalina. It's called The Legend, and it's this cute little kind of anime girl with her long flowing hair, wearing a short kimono and a little, what looks like katana sword. So you can see it's 50 by 75, so quite large. And we get 50 colors. So we get all of our pre-cut stickers here, our DMC codes with them, and we've got 4 ABs in this kit. So we've got a white AB and then 3 other colors. And then you've got extra stickers here if you want to use those. I don't usually keep them. And then I will keep this sticker to put in my diamond painting logbook. So let's look at the canvas. 50 by 75 is going to be quite large. I don't think I'm going to get it all on the table here, but I will also try to do some extra filming of it so you can see some close-ups of it. So I'll be right back. All right, so let's measure. This is 50 by 75, it says. So let's measure across. It is 49 across, so a little bit less than that. And you can see it's just these kind of really lovely all fall colors, autumny colors. You can see that from the drills as well. Nice and clear symbols. Nothing that looks like it's going to, give you any issues. We've got a schematic on both sides, and we've got our DMC codes. Nice and clear symbols. Let me turn it this way so I can measure this way. So 50, it was 49, and this one is 75. Let's see if it actually is 75. It is 73. There's a couple of puckers in here, so maybe 74. So 53 by, is that right? 49 by 74. Yeah, so a little bit off, but not bad. Some nice instances, it looks like, of Color blocking versus confetti. Of course, there's a ton of confetti you can see right here. Let me rotate her again so you can see. So lots of confetti up here, lots of confetti up here, but over here kind of in the background there's some nice color blocking, in her face. You've got a little crown here along with a bow in her hair. And then you can see her face. You've got the sword in her hand, and then her clothing. Of course, her hair continues on down here. So quite a bit of multi-placing in her figure itself. Or I mean confetti, not multi-placing. Confetti in the figure itself, but you do get some nice color blocking at various spots in the background. You've got her legs here, the rest of the sword, her hair, some background, and then of course here you've got the rest of her clothing. But I just thought it was very pretty, kind of something that's very much in the style of things that my daughter likes. So I'm wondering if she'll like this one. Lots and lots of colors. Like I said, 50 colors and 4 ABs. So let's look into our drills, shall we? Let's see what we've got for colors. We've got a blush pink. We've got a very dark purple, a kind of dusky mauve. We've got a peach, a caramel, a black, dark red. We've got kind of a dark coral, a light peach, a light caramel, another caramel, or a light tan, a light brown. It's not tan, I guess it's brown. A dark red, a very pale peach, and then kind of a pale yellow. All right, so there's those colors. Then we have another peach. It's kind of a bright peach. And we get a dark brown, another dark red, with a slightly lighter dark red, a dark brown, kind of a burnt umber, an orange, a peach, a pink, a very dark brown, another kind of reddish mauve, a rose, dark rose, a purplish mauve, a bright peach, a light brown, kind of an orangish brown, a salmon colored, and then let's look at the last row here of drills. We get a gray, a bright yellow, a pale yellow, another kind of dusky coral, a dark purple, a light purple. We get two different shades of kind of peach. This one's a little more orange and darker. And then we get another peach, a very dark reddish brown, another kind of reddish brown, a kind of mocha color, a light brown, and a tan. And then we have our 4 ABs. So of course we have our white AB, very pretty. Ooh, I don't think I've seen this color in an AB before. This is like that kind of caramel color, but in an AB. That's very pretty. And then we have a red AB, also very pretty, and then a very pretty peach AB. So there's all the colors of the drill. Let's see where our 4 ABs get used. So let me move all these drills out of the way and we'll look at the canvas and I'll point out where the 4 ABs are going to get used. Okay, so we can see there are white ABs here in the sky, in her hair, in her eyes. So that's where these white ABs are going to get used. Our kind of caramel colored ABs are here sprinkled in the crown. They're sprinkled up here in the top by the, and throughout this background over here. There are some down at the bottom, kind of this background they're going to get sprinkled in. This peach color AB is sprinkled in here through her hair. There's some big sections over here, so it's like an accent color for her hair. And then it's also sprinkled a bit. If you look at the background here, it's going to be sprinkled in through there, and again also sprinkled through her hair, so quite a bit of those. And then the red AB is sprinkled throughout kind of the cuffs on all of her clothing. So the hem here at the bottom, the cuffs of her sleeves, the collar up here, and then also some sprinkled here through the sheath of the sword, as well as some here on her belt. I think that's it for the red. And a few up here in the bow in her hair. So that's where all the ABs are going to get used. Really excited about this one. I think this one is really pretty. I think this art style will be very popular with people. So yeah, sneak peek for Oraloa. I will put a link in the description box below to their website. This will go up for sale tomorrow. Not sure what the price will be, but check out the website. They should have other new releases out there as well. A huge thank you to Oraloa for letting me bring you these sneak peeks. These have been really fun. I hope you're enjoying them. Before you leave, guys, don't forget to do all the things. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and hit that bell notification icon so that you can be informed of future uploads. And as always, guys, thanks so much for watching.